Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the LG V60 ThinQ dual screen smartphone. Big box. Bought it over at T-Mobile for a little over 800 smacks. Got the second screen up top, and down here will be the LG V60 and all the other contents. So what we're going to do is open up the box, and you can leave some feedback down below in the comments section and let me know what you'd like to see from me as far as the reviewing process goes. I'll be taking some pictures, shooting some video. Let's see, how does this open up?
There we go. Alright, so here's the second screen. And here we have the LG V60, and well, I guess I have to cut that. I may edit this video down. I don't want to make it too long. Let's go ahead and get into the second screen here. Wow. Okay. There we go. Put that over there. Wow. You can see my LG V20 shooting this video in 1080p 60 frames per second.
That is the inside of the second screen. Got your quick start guide. And you have your little connector here to charge. So this piece right here is going to attach itself right in here magnetically. So then you can take and charge your LG V60 while it's housed right in this area with your USB cable, just like that. Okay, that's what that is for. So that is really cool. So you don't have to take it out and charge it. You can just do it that way. So there's the second screen. I do have some screen protectors on their way. I'm going to order some more. I am going to put one on the outside as well. There's no way I'm going to take this out without having a lot of protection. Now we have this protection right here. It's nice and ridged, feels really good. And you have this cutout right here for the cameras, but you really want something here because that can get all scratched up. So I'll be bringing in some screen protectors for that area. I don't think I'm going to take this out right away. I have some cases and screen protectors coming in tomorrow, but I need to get some screen protectors for that part. I could probably make one so I can take it out, but we'll see if I start the reviewing process tomorrow or I wait and wait for a day, skip tomorrow, wait a day, and then start the process. But we'll see. We'll see how all that goes. And then here we have the micro cloth, which is nice. And we have the smartphone, the LG V60. Don't need this. And LG is committed to giving you peace of mind. We're so confident in the quality of our premium devices that, along with the manufacturer's first year limited warranty, we offer a free second year limited warranty coverage upon registration. Very nice. Okay, so and got your SIM key inside of this packaging here. Manuals, warranty information. I would suggest you at least skim through it, read everything. Certified USB fast charger, 25 watts. Look at that. In big bold writing. And there's your USB Type-C charging cable. So yeah, that's going to stay in the box. For right now, we'll put that over to the side there. All that to the side. Alright, so the LG V60 is a bit taller than my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm just digging the size of this device. I just digging it. Huge. Got the teardrop little notch there. The essential notch. Yeah, I'm going to love this big smartphone. That is beautiful. That blue color back there. All right, now I know what you're saying. Remove the film. And there we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is set it up and I'll be right back. Actually, before I get deep into the setup, I wanted to show you the new second screen select, how the new second screen will look in LG apps. So you can actually have it set up this way. There's the teardrop notch, or that way. You see that? So you can hide the teardrop notch. It's a large phone. You're not going to lose a lot of screen here. Trust me. You're just not. Right. I am not completely set up, but I'm set up far enough. I did put in my fingerprint, so we're going to test that out right now. Okay. Not too bad at all. Double tap. And that's what that looks like. Nice. Very nice. I'm going to go into the settings, and we don't have a refresh rate of 90 or 120. It's just 60. But right now I'm actually using 60 on my S20 Ultra, so that's not a big deal. I'm going to go to my display because I want to change the timeout to 10 minutes. All right, so there we go. We're going to use the second screen really quick. Before we do that, I did want to show you the size comparison with the SE. iPhone SE 2020 second gen. Look at that. Completely dwarfs the SE. Just dwarfs it. And again, one more time with the S20 Ultra. And as far as thickness, the S20 Ultra is a little bit thicker. Okay, a little bit thicker. A little bit taller as far as the LG V60. Okay. All good looking smartphones. So we're going to put my LG V60 inside. And this is what the LG V60 looks like with the dual screen in action. Got some information up top that just disappeared. On the inside, we have the LG V60 and the second screen right there. And we can get into the LG V60 by using the fingerprint reader. We can tap on that tab right there. And those are your options. You can barely see it. It says swap screen, show main on dual screen, show dual screen on main. This is the main. The LG V60 is the actual main. Put main screen to sleep, turn off dual screen. I want to go into YouTube. And let's see. We'll play some music. So right here you can see the volume rocker. Down, up. That should have actually been on this side. That's kind of a difficult way to get to that area. It's all the way up. You can swap screens. Let's swap the screen. There we go. Swap screen again. All right, we're gonna go over, switch YouTube. And stretch it out. It sounds really, really good, actually. Put that on pause. I gotta learn how to use this. This is there's my dog barking now. So my wife's mowing the lawn now. My dog's barking. And let's go into my Google feed. Tap. Put main wide view. We want wide view. So there we go. And 60 hertz. Feels like 60 hertz. You can tell the difference between 90 and 120, but this still feels really smooth. There's a little dog out there barking at my bigger dog. My shepherd would eat that little tiny doggy, even though we wouldn't let him. But anyway, for your extra entertainment, my dog barking. Anyway, there we go. Okay. So that's all I'm going to do right now. Actually, we're going to go into the camera. And next, done, and later. And that's what that looks like if I do it this way. So if I shoot or take a picture, I can see it right there on the second screen. That's really cool. I'm totally digging that. Wow. Yeah, I'm digging that. That is cool. All right, I'm going to do a lot more later. Very quick, very quick. Video. Let's test out the focus. Okay, let's go ahead and move that up just a little bit there. Okay. And very nice transition. Very nice transition. Very nice. Okay. Totally digging that. And let's bring my little Android guy here. There you go. Yeah, no focus issues whatsoever. You can see the video down there. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a lot more. Got to get used to this. The dual screen setup is super cool, but it's just learning how to manage with both of my hands, and utilizing the second screen and the first screen and both together as one. Learning all the functionality. Performance seems fine. Camera looks great. The pictures look great, or the picture that I took, and I love what we can do with the second screen there. And let's see, we're going to swap screens and go up and close out everything and close the flap there, which can go all the way around. You do have a little bit of lip there when setting down, but I am going to get some screen protectors for the inside and on the back, because there barely is any lip there, so that area needs to be protected. I don't mind the thickness at all, but I like the way it goes all the way around like that. It feels great. I love big smartphones. So anyway, thanks for watching the unboxing. Just a quick tour. It's here on TMI Project 13. There's going to be more. Okay, leave feedback. Appreciate it. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I am out. The LVG60 here on TMI Project 13. Bam. I am out.